Welcome to All Things Anna J. My travel, my business, my life. Hey y'all, so we're outside of my mentor's beautiful 6-unit apartment building. Show them the building. Beautiful. Right here in the heart of Accra. I'm gonna be taking you inside to show you what the units actually look like. Let's go. So everything here is super luxury. Like, she let me stay here one time for an entire week, and like she almost had to drag me out because I was not trying to leave. I'm actually being showed around by the property manager, Charles.
Everyone, this is Charles. We are just having a talk, and I'll be directing her, so just sit and watch.
Yes, thank you so much. Let's go. Come on, I got it. Let's go. Let's see. You know the place. I don't know the place. And the unit I stayed in was downstairs. So I haven't even seen up here before.
2-bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom. This is the living.
Okay.
Living room. See the TV.
Yeah.
The couch.
And
Suppose you like it.
I do. And this is the balcony.
Balcony, there's a way here.
Okay, it's over here. I'm like, how do you get?
Would you like to see?
Yes. Wow.
That is it. And you can even fill it down.
Yeah. So you can oversee
Show them the car.
what's going on. This is nice. Okay. I'm excited to see the rest of the units. So cable and everything, or what's the setup with the electronics?
Yeah, we have cable. Probably we are using the DSTV.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even notice this TV. Look at this TV.
This TV is huge.
This is a huge Samsung, like,
78 inches curved, super ultra high definition.
wow.
And we also have internet.
Wow. Let's see. So how about we come in and we start looking at what the rest of
That is the washroom for visitors.
Yeah, it's just a half bath. So which one is
That
the?
is the master.
This is the master. Okay, this is nice. Huge built-in wardrobe. Really beautiful comforter set. Is there some sort of view or?
Another small
Wow.
balcony.
Another small balcony. This is nice. Wow. TV, and let's see what the bath looks like. Okay. Okay. We're working with the rainfall shower. Yes. Cool. Take a look in some of these wardrobes.
Yeah.
This is huge. Wow. Wow. Built-ins, built-in drawers. This is nice. Wow. How much does something like this go for like a night and like long term?
The whole month is 1,500 USD. To stay in the 2-bedroom for 1 month, you will need $1,500.
$1,500 for a
A
month.
whole month.
For the month. And then how much is the night?
A night is between a day and a 3. Between 1 day and
3 days.
You pay 150. 1 week, $100.
A
You
night.
can stay, yeah,
A night,
for a
exactly.
night, yeah.
Okay. I feel it. This is
So
cool.
the more you stay, the more
The
the
more.
prices reduce.
I get it. This is nice. And now, so let's go see the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Let's
Alright.
see the
The
kitchen.
kitchen is right in front of you.
No, this is a nice sized kitchen. This is a very nice sized kitchen, and I know exactly. I know Mama is gonna have every
Glasses and those
dish, spoon,
empty space.
Tupperware. What else she got in here? Wine glasses,
Wine
coffee
glasses,
cups, anything.
Nice.
at this. What Airbnb
Yeah.
does you like this? Seriously, toaster, takeaway containers, and these are what people gonna lose.
Yes.
They're not even gonna return these. Plates, nice glassware.
Yeah.
Like, this is what is important when you come to travel. You know, like, you don't want to think about bringing this stuff, and you definitely don't think about buying it when you get there. So this is important. Wow.
And that's what it has some stuff here also.
What's in here?
Probably.
Wow. Nice. What is this?
That is a fruit stand.
A what?
Fruit stand.
A fruit stand. Okay, fruit stands. Rice cookers.
And
Blenders. Everything.
kettle.
Wow. Cutter. Wow. Everything. This is amazing. So is this the nicest unit in this building?
Probably.
Or this is the nicest one. This is
the nicest
nice.
unit.
This is nice. So then how about, since this is the nicest one, let's go and see one that isn't so nice, because I bet it's still very
No, everywhere is not just that. This one is the nicest.
This is nice though. This is really nice. And people come and pay $1,500 a month.
For a month.
Wow.
And you don't get to pay anything. You get DSTV, you get internet, you get electricity, gas,
Everything.
everything for free
Everything.
for the whole month.
For the whole month. That's nice. That's awesome, you guys. So you hear it. You hear it here. Come check us out. Beautiful, beautiful place. Like, man, I need to get my money up. The only reason I'm shook is because my money ain't up like that. Oh wow, we have company. Come on in. Come on in.
Wow, thank you.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Now we are seeing the one bedroom. So basically, on the left side of the building, it's all one bedrooms, and then on the right side of the building, they're all 2 bedrooms. So it's 6 units in the entire apartment. But now we're gonna see the 1 bedroom. So when you first come in through the door, nice little living space. See, this is more like what she let us stay in. Yeah, even though the kitchen is, ooh, okay. You have a nice dining area.
Thank you.
All of the nice amenities. Come look at this stove. Look at this stove. Whose stove is this clean? Whose stove this clean? Ain't none of our stove this clean. I know my stove not this clean. Let's go see the bedroom.
Let's get to it.
Let's see the bedroom. Okay. Yes, yes, I love the built-in wardrobe. That makes for a really good, easy place to store your clothes. Like, you can always get dressed and be straight out the door if you have it hanging up in your wardrobe, opposed to still shuffled all in your suitcase. This bathroom,
It's
though.
huge.
This bathroom,
That's
though.
what we call gargantuan.
Why is this bathroom so big? This bathroom, though. Okay. It's nice. It's nice. Show this.
It's nice.
Handheld shower. That's big. That's bigger. Is that tub is bigger? Maybe the unit isn't bigger, but the tub is bigger than the one downstairs. It's nice. Let's see. And then of course all of the units have an additional bathroom, like for the guests. So I'll show you that. Our apartment doesn't have that. So okay, nice mirror. And so yeah, just a half bath for guests if you are entertaining with running water, of course. So come on. And it's just a beautiful place. So I wanted to bring you all through and show you some of the luxury that is here in Accra for, people who might be shy about coming and, staying in random Airbnbs. This is a honest, trustworthy woman with an amazing facility that's being rented out and managed with people on the property. So make sure you come out to Ghana, Accra on Spentex Road and stay in the Yvonne X Luxury Apartments. It's been great showing you around. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel, All Things Anna J. I am going to be posting consistently because I'm doing exciting things. Like, how many people can say that they are out, in Accra, walking around, and having mentors who own, like, not even just own, they build these, they build their places from the ground up. Like, they buy the land and build it from the ground up. So my mentor is an amazing woman who literally built these units from the ground up, and they're amazing. So come check her out. And thank you so much for tuning in to All Things Anna J. Hit us up on Instagram, subscribe, give us a like, and I'll holla at y'all. Bye. Welcome to All Things Anna J. My travel, my business, my life.